previous lecture we created this modules, this structure with the help of offset entity and linear and mirror entities. So now today we will see move entities and copy entities. So select move entities. What is move entities? Just move this component from one place to another place. So select this all components. Just drag and drop all these. Now all the components are selected. So now here parameters from to. Click start point. Start point, select this point. Okay. Now we will move. See, it is going to move. We will up to this point. Okay. See, our component move from this point to this point. This is called move entities. Now we will see what is copy entities. Just copy entities. Now select the components, this component and this geometry. Now both these selected, and now from here also asking from to. Select start point. So select this start point and where you want to move. Any place you will click and it will move. It will copy up to that place. So we will copy up to this line. Select OK. See, our component is move from here to there and then copy from this point to this point. So this is called move entities, copy entities. It is very simple and very useful tools in SolidWorks. We will see in future how to use this entities for creating any parts or any geometry. I hope you like it.